Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 11th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles. I've already solved one, the binary puzzle. So two puzzles are left: the killer Sudoku and the medium Sudoku. And in the evening I will do the half of the additional. There are 7 puzzles in the additional, so in the evening I will do the rest. But first, these 3 regular puzzles, and this one will be number 5772. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I've already counted 26 printed digits. Medium Sudoku has always 26 printed digits, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. 15 minutes to 20 minutes, yeah. That's my time limit. 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Okay. Is this really a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Okay. Alright. More lights. Okay. Let me see. We have here 2 missing numbers. Let's get started. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4, 5, 8. Then. Let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 7. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. We have a pair, I believe. Yes. The 1 and the 7 in this row. The 1 and the 7 in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Alright. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5, 8, 9. Then 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Alright. And then 4, 4, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the third column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Oh, eight, eight. Okay. Eight. Let me think. Uh-huh. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1. Then. We have 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 6. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column. 5 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I need to wait. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5. Yeah, I need to wait. How about the 1 in the last column? 1 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Alright. Then. Let me think. 1, 2, no, 1, 9, 6. 196, 6, 9. I need a 9. Come on. What's happening? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last row. I've marked this box with 8 and a 9, so those 2 boxes should be 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. The 1 in the first row. The 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 now in the middle column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 7 goes there. Then. Let me see. 6. Think. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square in front of us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1, 6. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One of them is the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One box left in the second row for the number, I believe the 9, yes. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then. 2 missing numbers in this third row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, an 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Oh, wait. How about the 1s? And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4, number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2, the last 2 numbers. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Fitness in 14 minutes. Wow. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star, and I'm pleased with the time. Yeah. I'm well pleased with the time. It's a 1 star instead of a 2 stars indicated, yes. But I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle of today. Yes, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.